Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your VW Golf key battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in to avoid losing any small parts. This simple process will have your key working like new in no time. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be patient and avoid using too much force to prevent any damage to the casing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Carefully remove it from its compartment. Note the orientation of the old battery. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Insert your new CR2032 battery into the holder, ensuring the positive side is facing up and it sits snugly in place. This is a crucial step for proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves and gently press them together until they snap securely into place. Once reassembled, immediately test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly. If you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.